Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up work profile on Android. But first, check out our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to set up your work profile here on your Android device, well, this one is quite easy, but you may need to understand here that the option have actually changed. So Google actually, or Android, made some changes here. So how to exactly set it up? So in this case, you want to go ahead and open up settings here. And under settings, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here. And instead of looking for accounts, what you need to look for is going to be the Google option for that. So in this case, go and just click or press on Google. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just click on the All Services option that you see at the right side here. And in here, you want to go ahead and basically scroll down a bit here until you see the section that says Set Up Account. Now, this may be different depending on when you're watching this video, but what you're looking for is going to be device policy here that says Set Up Your Work Profile. Now, go ahead and just press on it. Now, once you've actually clicked on it, you want to go and just click on Next. And it's going to start downloading the necessary resources here in order for you to set up your account. So this might take a few minutes or for quite a while now. So just wait for it to complete. But once it actually is completed, you should be able to see the options to set up your account. Now, this might also require you to allow access on your camera. So you want to go and click on while using the app. And from here, you could go and just basically scan the QR code that your IT representative or admin provided you so that you could connect your work account. But if you don't have that one, you could go and just click on enter code manually that you see at the bottom section of your screen. And that should give you the option to enter the code. Now, once you've entered the code, you can go and click on next here. Just follow the on-screen steps and you should be able to set up your work account. Now, just to give you some idea, you are only allowed to set up one work account per phone. So if you already have set up one before, you may need to remove that first, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.